Trade recap went 2 for 2 today. We also have a special guest right behind me. Hey, hey, hey. There she is. Hey, Bella, Bella, look, look, look. She's been looking out the window all morning. But we went 2 for 2 today. Let's just go over our trades. So we took 2 trades today. Went 2 for 2. First trade was taken at 10:20. We'll just do the same as always. We'll just go ahead and replay the day starting from market open. And we will just go on about it from there. So market opens right here. First thing, as always, what I'm looking for is just my areas to mark out, my zones to mark out. First low formed right here. Mark that out. Now, fun fact, I actually would have taken longs right there on that candle. But I was in the bathroom dropping a monster log. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I was in the bathroom when this play presented itself. We already got it set up at 9:42. Would have taken this and hit. So I honestly could have went 3 for 3 on the day, which would have been crazy. But 3 for 3 on the day actually would have been sick. I did miss a setup there just because I was in the bathroom, but whatever. I'm still leaving that zone there just because it's a nice little zone we can mark out, a nice little bottom. Now we're just uptrending this whole time. I'm looking for a little pullback. Still just looking for zones to mark out. Boom. First zone I mark out is going to be right here, which is this low that we started to reverse out of. Now I'm looking for a retest and then a pop back out to play longs. Let's see what happens. So we retest it right here. We print that candle. However, I could have taken an entry right off this candle. However, I've been waiting for some more confirmation recently to be getting in my trades just so I can, avoid getting stopped out as much, because I would be entering like right off of like with not as much confirmation. I'd be getting stopped out often. I've also been looking to play with the trend more, so looking to play longs here, still waiting for some more confirmation. Boom, we test our zone again, and we close green. Not only do we close green, we have two of these big bottom wicks right here, both testing the zone, holding this candle closed red, then we test it again, then we close green. Actually, also, now I'm just noticing bullish engulfing candle right here on the 2-minute. Everything, I took a look at the 5-minute candle right here, looked prime. This looked prime right here. That candle, so good for longs. Took a stab at it, got filled a little higher than right there, and then we ended up hitting TP in 2, 4, 6, 8 minutes, taking out our high of day right there. Now I am looking for a break above this high and then a retest of this zone right here to play longs out of. So I actually ended up making this zone from this little area of consolidation right here kind of the same as, this high of day right here, just kind of lined up. So keeping this zone here. Now I'm looking for a retest here and then a pop back up. So boom, we get a retest right here. Very nice hold there, but again, waiting for some more confirmation instead of just pulling the trigger right off of that candle. Next candle prints, it's still looking kind of bearish. We did form a little bit of a bottom wick again, so I'm still liking longs here. Boom, now I'm kind of liking this more. Boom, this is where I took my entry. I took my entry on this because, as you can see, we just came into our zone. First candle right here, held pretty well, showing some bullish strength. Second candle held decently well. Third candle closed green, so we slowed down this downside momentum and then started to flip green. This candle right here, I was like, bang, I am entering that 100%. We had again, another bottom wick as well, closed above our zone. Also, what is it? A+ setup. Came in, showed strength out of our zone after slowing down momentum to the downside. We started to show strength to the upside. What else are we doing? We're playing with our trend. We are continuing this uptrend. Higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high. And now we are anticipating the next higher high. Higher high, higher low. Sorry. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now we're anticipating the next higher high. Yes, there we go. Okay, so I filled right here. Waited for a little bit of a pullback. Filled right here. We had a little bit of consolidation, and then we just ended up ripping up, taking out our high of day. And then right now, it looks like we are looking to possibly make our next leg up. So if I was going to take another trade, what I would do is mark out this area of consolidation. Right here, we came in, tested our zone, and, created this little thing right here. This bottom wick right here showed more strength out of it, retested it, held. I'd probably go ahead and take an entry off of that candle. So I'm just gonna live test this. I'm not actually going to take this trade. However, it does look pretty good to make our next leg up. This is literally the most perfect trend you can possibly play, in my opinion. We are literally going, we're making a move up, you're getting a pullback, and then you're making a move up, and then you're getting a pullback, and then you're making a move up. It's literally a perfect, low, and then a higher high, and then a higher low, and then a higher high, and then a higher low. And, right now, if I did get in that, I would be up about 10 points right now on that already. 1 minute is looking great. 5 minute, like this is like just a beautiful trend to be playing in. I have a good feeling that's going to hit. Obviously, again, I'm not going to take that. I'm already done for the day, up 2 trades, but I have a good feeling that's going to hit, take out that high. Also could have taken that, but, I should have been 3-3 on the day because I should have missed this first play down here. Hey, what's wrong? What's the matter? I wonder if my mic picked that up. What's the matter? Yeah, but honestly, like, could have been 3-on-3 on the day if I hit that trade down here. This trade up here, this is gonna hit, bro. Look at that. Literally perfect setup again that I just found right off rip. Marked out that little area right there, tested it, boom, and it's looking like we, target a little above this high to, make that next higher high. That 2-minute candle looks absolutely prime. If you look out on the 5-minute, obviously, what are we doing? Just very steady uptrend. We get little bits of pullbacks before we make those moves up. All you have to do is read the price action. How could I tell that I thought we were going to make our next leg up right here? Look at these bottom wicks. Look how we held this low, how we held this zone. Boom, same thing here. I just found this trade right off rip, and it is now up 13 points. What did I do? I marked out this little significant area of consolidation right here. You could have marked out this low right here if you wanted to, and that would have got tested. I would have marked out this area of little bit of consolidation right here. Same way that I got this set up, I marked out this little area of consolidation right here. So yeah, same thing right there. Just, playing with the trend. It is kind of scalping since it is a 30.1 to 1, but just playing with the trend, reading price action, really all you have to do. Also, I kind of, over the course of the last couple of days, I've kind of, been able to just refine my strat even more. I've realized that I have to wait for just a tiny bit more confirmation, and always, try to play with the trend. I try to play more continuation setups than reversal setups. Yes, reversal setups, hit. I've hit plenty of them. But, continuation setups really just, they're really nice because they're a lot less stress on you. Like, personally, when I'm in a continuation setup, it's a lot less stressful for me to be in. I'm not stressed, that's another thing. When I'm in a trade, I'm not worried about the outcome, but I do have emotions at the end of the day. I just don't act on them. But yeah, great day today. Went 2 for 2. Just gonna keep live testing that, see if it hits. But yeah, that's really all I got. Hopefully we get in tomorrow, similar to today, and end up on the week. But yeah, that's it for me for today, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.